Hey, so welcome back to the AD Money channel. Did you know that you could get money for creating a slogan? Well, if you don't know what a slogan is, it's that little message under a company's brand. Like for example, the Nike slogan is "Just Do It." The Apple slogan is "Think Different." The KFC slogan is "It's finger licking good." The McDonald's slogan is "I'm loving it." So do you know that a slogan, you can actually make money for actually inventing a slogan? It sounds great, right? Well, it is. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So just watch this video all the way to the end so that you can understand how to do this. You can see the procedure. Don't make that mistake and skip through the video because you think you know how it works. Well, you don't. That's why I'm going to explain this video to you so that you can actually make money for yourself. It's not a long video, so you don't need to stress about that. Now, you must know that this is absolutely free. You don't pay any money to do this. You're only here to make money for yourself. And it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are. If you're in Africa, Australia, South America, Asia, Europe, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. So just make sure you watch it all the way to the end. Please, before I show you this awesome method, just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It's absolutely free to subscribe. Just click that red button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you are going to get a notification. So you don't need to roam around looking for my videos. So the website I want to show you today, it's sloganslingers.com. Slogan Slingers. Now, before you try this out for yourself, just watch this because I'm going to explain a few things. Slogan Slingers is a place where you can actually make money for creating slogans. For example, when you come down over here, you're going to see the client has a company called Zozo's Burger Bar, and the slogan is "Picasso used a canvas, we use a bun." For example, over here, let's say for example the company is Spark Advertising. The slogan is "The smallest big agency on earth." And we have another one over here, Carpet Showroom Direct, and the slogan is "Something new will be hitting our showroom floor, your jaw." Very funny, very cool, very catchy. It's very nice. So let's take for example another one, Catholic TV. So that's their company, and the slogan is "Watch religiously." Very interesting. So you get the picture of what I'm talking about. So you basically have your company name, and then you're gonna get a slogan. So people are always having problems inventing slogans, and they just want you to actually invent a slogan for them, and they're gonna pay you to do that. Sounds nice? Your slogan could be the next big thing, the next big slogan for the next biggest company in the world. So this is a great opportunity that you can actually take, and it could lead you to make even more money than you actually think, because they could refer you to other people and more businesses because of how catchy your slogan is. So I'm going to show you how you're going to get involved in finding a slogan. Now, before that, you must know that this is featured in Entrepreneur Magazine, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Killer Startups. So it's a big platform, and big companies are actually using this. So I'm going to show you a website over here called Obello. Now, Obello is a place where you can actually get slogans generated for you. So when you're on Obello, it's obello.co.uk. So when you're over here, you want to scroll all the way down. So when you scroll all the way down, you want to come down over here, and you're going to see over here, it should be here, Free Business Tools. Click on Free Business Tools. Then you're going to come down over here and see Slogan Generator. So click on that. So as you can see over here, enter a word that should be included in your slogan. So let's say for example, not pizza, but let's say house. I can't believe it's house. Happiness is house shaped. Every house has a story. So this is, for example, for a company that's got to do with maybe real estate, maybe got to do with houses. First class house, high life with house, red hot house, the power on your side, feel the house. So you get the picture of what I'm talking about. So they actually generate the slogans for you. So unless you're a person who is very creative and really wants to invent the slogan by yourself because you have a creative mind, you could actually just do that. But I'm showing you different methods for those of you who don't actually have that creative mind and you just want slogans generated for you. So let's say, for example, you put in car, and maybe it's like a business that has to do with cars. So car moments, 2 cars are better than 1. Okay, we have here, there is no sore it will not heal, no car it will not subdue. Oh, interesting. The best part of walking up is car in your cup. So you get the gist of it all. It's always about just having something catchy at the bottom of your brand, and I'm just trying to let you know that you could be getting paid for doing that. So that is the first website, Obello. The second website you want to go onto is called Design Heal. It's designheal.com. When you're on Design Heal, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. So you're going to get over here. Now under the tools section, you want to click on business tools. So when you click on business tools, it's going to take you to this page over here. And you want to scroll down and you want to see slogan generator. You want to click on that. Then you're going to come over here. Now enter a keyword. Let's enter a keyword. For example, pizza. Search. The queen of pizza. Pizza is your safe place in an unsafe world. So if you have like a pizza company, you could just have that slogan. Pizza is your safe place in an unsafe world. It's just catchy. It just sounds good. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it's a pizza. It's just nice and catchy. Imagine McDonald's have I'm loving it, and look how big they are, and the slogan is so short. So just try and keep it short. For example, good to the last pizza, or the pizza people. Somebody says Jesus loves pizza. Saved by pizza, the science of pizza. For example, you have a pizza company. Somebody has a pizza company named Mr. Pizza. Let's say, for example, his company is Mr. Pizza. So you just want to give him a slogan saying the science of pizza. And they're going to put the science of pizza, on every pizza box and on the delivery cars, and just simple as that. And you could make so much money from that. Like, it's amazing. So the third website I want to show you is GetSocio. It's getsocio.com. What you want to do, scroll the way down again. When you scroll all the way down, you're going to see over here slogan generator. Click on that. Then enter keywords. Let's say, for example, we type in phone. Maybe you have a phone company. The phone that likes to say yes. That sounds so amazing. Like, really? The phone that likes to say yes. Imagine you have a phone company, or somebody just developed a new phone called not the iPhone, maybe the earphone or the blue phone, and you just tell them the phone that likes to say yes. It just sounds good. I mean, the Apple company, they have the slogan that says think different. It's just 2 words, but look how much money they're making. So you could just also have like a slogan that says lucky phone, or phone the time is now. Something simple, and trust me, you make a lot of money. So those are the 3 platforms that you can use. The first one is Obello. It's obello.co.uk. The second one is designheal.com. It's designheal.com. The third one is over here, getsocio.com. So that is if you don't want to use your own, your own creativity, of course. It's always best to have your own creativity. Sometimes you can just sit at home and think of some really cool slogan. Just use your creative mind, and that could actually work. Now, there's also something cool over here. There are a lot of contests that happen over here. Contests whereby people have their company out and they provide a contest, and the best slogan for that specific company wins a big prize, and you can win up to $999 if you are the winner, of course. So you always want to just enter the contest. It's free to enter, so you could actually win. It's very easy to do. So if you actually want to get started with this, you want to click over here, login. So when you click on login, definitely if you won't have an account, you want to click on new user. Click on that. So when you click on new user, you want to click on writer sign up, because you want to be the person that actually writes the slogan. So you want to click writer sign up. Then you want to come over here, put in your email address, username, first and last name, password, confirm your password, PayPal account, email, and how did you hear about us. If you heard about them via my channel, just want to put in AD Money YouTube channel, or wherever you heard about this. I hope you hear about this from me, of course. AD Money channel, and create an account. Click on the terms, condition, and create an account. Now, PayPal account email. Of course, PayPal is where you'll be receiving your money with. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to create a PayPal account. Very easy to do. You want to go onto paypal.com. So type in paypal.com and get straight onto PayPal. So what you want to do when you're on PayPal, you want to click on sign up. If you don't have an account, of course, just click on personal account, go on to next. Then you want to put in your email address, your phone number, wherever you're from, first name, last name, create a password, and continue. So it's very simple, and they accept people from so many different countries all over the world: Africa, Americas, Asia, Europe, and so on and so forth. So you get the picture of it all. It's absolutely cool. Just create an account, and then you want to come back onto here, and you want to put in the email account that you used, the email address that you used to create your PayPal account, so that they can actually send you your money to your PayPal account. Then you can withdraw and enjoy that. So that's basically what I wanted to show you. Absolutely cool, very awesome strategy. You can make a lot of money for yourself. It's slogan slingers. Maybe your slogan could be the next big thing, who knows. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video. Comment any questions that you have in the comment section below. Subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notification bell, turn that bell on, click, so that anytime I have a new video, you're going to get a notification. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And go onto my playlist. I have a playlist where you can watch all my videos to have more methods for you to make more money online. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.